No, 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 no. Oh, he tried it. No, 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 no. Oh, he tried it.
I might get a lot of flack for this, but I've totally like reached the end of my rope and I need help. I'm kind of a private person. Oh my god, there's one of those things again where I say something that is completely not true about me as a whole, but me as Brianna. Oh my god. Alright, well, once I'm done laughing at myself, I'm like 2 months behind right now. One from like September, and then this month. I haven't paid this month yet. We worked it out with the landlord to be okay with like in September, because we just used, first and last month's rent. We just used last month's rent, but now I owe last month's rent, and then this month's rent. And you know that my trip to Idaho failed absolutely fucking miserably. But I'm not asking for donations for nothing. Like every single person that helps and donates is gonna get a letter from me, and people who win the draw that I have on my free OnlyFans page is gonna get a set of card photos and a letter. Everybody who donates on my subscriber page, who's already paid $10 a month, is gonna get the photos in the letter set. So every single person who donates on my paid subscriber page gets a letter and a photo. 3 people who donate on my free subscriber page, I can't even talk, this is embarrassing, you guys. My free subscriber page gets her auto second home. Oh, everybody on my regular paid one gets both a photo and a letter. But everybody who donates gets a letter if they email me their address. So, guys, please don't hate me too much for asking for, help. I'm not e-begging. I'm totally against e-begging, and this feels a little bit like e-begging. It's not. I mean, I guess it depends on who you ask. Honestly, if you ask any of the other alters, I'm doing this. Jeff, I don't have any communication going on right now, but like Jeff, Grace, Chloe wrote that. Chloe is the one that wrote that. It's all very well written and everything. So Chloe and I worked together on writing that, but like Jeff and the boys, they just can't seem to accept that they can't do it at this point. I don't even know, you can see, I'm so exhausted, so stressed. I don't want anybody to feel bad for me, and honestly, if you can, donate to me, I will pay you back. If that's something that you can't make right now, and if you have, $5, you're like, hey, can you pay me back? I will pay you back. I'm not gonna be the person that's just like, hey, I need help, and then expect everybody around me to, jump and help me, and then not offer anything in return. I'm fucking stuck, landlord was knocking on our door today and literally gave me a fucking panic attack. I didn't answer the door, I hid. thing is, unfortunately, my self-soothing gestures are like touching my face, and like, so I'm breaking out. My ears are like super dry because I sit and I tug on my ears when I get anxious, but like, I don't want you to think that I'm, hold on, switching. Okay, so, I am now co-conscious with Jeff. I put this all over my face so that at least if I touch it, I have like a layer of protection between my skin and whatever the fuck, because I like literally can't stop touching my face. It's fucking ridiculous. God damn it. I forgot why I even came on here. Like, I forgot what I was gonna fucking say. I forgot what I was gonna tell you guys. Oh, fuck. I forgot what I came on here to tell you guys about. I think I'm just gonna, I don't know. I'm struggling. I'm gonna go on live. I'm gonna go on YouTube live and talk to you guys about how I'm fucking struggling, okay? I need to put my hair back. I can't be touching my hair. I need a hat or something. And just so you know, we are like doing our best. This is Brandon's collection that he has. This isn't even like all of it. This is like, I don't know, how much, what would you say this percentage is that we're looking at right here?
Oh, well, this is something.
75? 70%? Well, we have an online store that we are getting up. Well, Brandon has an online store that he's getting up. But it takes a while to sell things. So, like, we have inventory. Yeah, he's taking inventory. He's been doing it for weeks. And so we're not just, like, sitting around. Brandon's just not, like, sitting around. We're not just doing nothing, you know? Like, I'm doing my best to sell content, and he's doing his best to get the store up and running. But, like, I don't know, I feel like I need to, like, prove myself for some reason that I legitimately need help. I don't know why. It's just... Exactly, that's why I posted this. It's like, well, he's literally working every time. He's working every day. Like, you don't understand exactly how much work goes into this. Like, this bin, all of these bins are filled with cards. These individual cards. Like, imagine how many cards are in these fucking bins. Right? And that's on top of him doing laundry and everything that I can't do. So, like, we're literally, like, doing our best. Like, our house is clean. We take care of our animals. We're not, you know, pieces of shit people. I don't know. I feel super embarrassed having to ask for help for some reason. I don't know why. I'm just like, look, like, we're good people. Right? Oh, good boy. This is Brianna, and I'm honestly one of the most genuine, kind, accepting, forgiving people that you will ever meet. And it makes me really sad to think that I've gone through so much that I don't even remember it. And that in order to handle it, this person that I'm so proud to be had to be split up to protect me. And it sucks so much to be the host of a very aggressive, overt DID system. Like, I hate to be like, oh, feel bad for me. Like, oh, my life is so hard. But, you know, it is hard. And I'm really not one to, like, feel bad for themselves or, you know, any of that shit. But, I think that I'm allowed to feel upset and to let myself feel upset, because if I just keep repressing it and keep repressing it, nothing is gonna get better. Nothing is gonna get better. Like, I have to tell people that I need help, you know? Like, my income can go from being $7,000 one month to $125 the next. And that's because social media. You know, like that's just the nature of social media. You know, I can go from 700 subscribers to 100 and something subscribers within a month or two. Like, no matter how easy it looks, my job is not easy. I do everything myself. Set up my studio, do the photography, do the modeling and the posing, find the poses, get my outfit together, like, break down the equipment, do the editing, post the stuff, and then I have to, like, make porn videos. And, like, I don't like to post videos where I'm not enjoying myself. And whether that is actually sexually enjoying myself or enjoying myself because I know that what I'm doing is going to help others. You know, it makes me feel so just done and exhausted, and like I work 12 hours a day every fucking day. Like I don't have days off. You know, it all looks like fun and exciting and, you know, all that stuff. And like, even when I show the hard parts of my life, like, I don't really talk about why those are being figured out, but like, financial instability is something that I had one specific trauma. When I was 6, my mom was buying my sister some things at Target, but my dad hadn't paid child support, so she couldn't buy anything for me. And I was like 6 years old, 7 years old, and I was crying. I was like sobbing and crying, and I was like, Mom, like, why can't I have anything? Like, why is my sister getting everything? And in retrospect, like, that wasn't really very fair of her at all, but she ended up taking me outside the store, my sister outside the store, and started like yelling at me really intensely and crying and, you know, like punishing me for being a confused kid, you know, and like it was very traumatic. And so I'm having a hard time remembering what I was talking about. So that's a very specific trauma that I carry. My mom ended up, after she was done yelling at me, she called my dad and yelled at him, and then gave me the phone and told him to tell me why I couldn't get anything at Target, why I couldn't get any clothes. And my dad, of course, lied to me and said that she's crazy and that, you know, he had done anything wrong and blah, blah, blah. And I was like 6, you know. So, financial instability fucking terrifies me. I've seen my mom get into so many relationships because of financial instability. Like during 2007 to, you know, whenever the fuck she left my stepdad. But, like, I'm sorry for venting, but I had to vent. Like, I don't talk about financial instability getting to me because I don't want anybody to know that I'm financially unstable, because I would like to be people's rocks. Like, I'm a rock for some people, and I just can't let myself be weak, because people need me. And I'm so codependent. I'm so fucked up. Like, the most fucked up and sad part about all of this is thinking that people need me, and to think that I am important enough in other people's lives to affect it by what I say or do. Like, that is not right. And I, like, hate myself sometimes. Like, I really hate myself sometimes. I'm like, why are you like this? Like, what the fuck? hope that the people that are making videos about me know that they look like total and complete assholes. And, yeah, their subscriber count's pretty fucking low, and I bet you it's low for a reason, because they're fake fucking assholes who like to start drama. And, yeah, so go ahead, be a fake fucking asshole. I don't want to be your friend anyway, and your opinion is like, not even that. Quit being an asshole. Quit being an idiot. And fuck you. Guys, I mean, to be honest with you, exploiting somebody's trauma is really fucking selfish. And the fact that you just keep making videos is because you don't have a point to make. And nobody gives a shit, okay? Because I'm a good person. I make good content. I don't lie. And I'm fucking cool. I'm a nice person. You are a piece of shit person who starts drama for no reason. And that's it. That's all. You're a piece of shit person and you're jealous. And that's fine. Be jealous. Honestly, kind of like it. And I've gotten a lot of followers. And about $3,000 from OnlyFans. So thank you. Oh shit, look at that. I was wrong. $6,000. Fuck you. And you know what I think is super funny is you guys said that the people off of Ginger's page were perverts and predators, but joke's on you because the drama started in the DID community. The DID community is the people that subscribe to my OnlyFans. So who are the creeps? I mean, really, who are the creeps? Because it doesn't seem like it's Ginger's page. Just really doesn't. I'm calling you creeps because you went onto my OnlyFans specifically looking for DDLG content that I was traumatized and forced to make. So, you know, it really doesn't make any sense. Ginger's fans are not creeps. The creeps are the people who go looking for other people's trauma, specifically traumas about their littles being sexualized and manipulated. So, fuck you. Again, fuck you. Fuck you.